Ever used an app that crashed right when you needed it? Or a website that didn't let you check out even after adding everything to your cart? Software failures are everywhere, from mobile apps to banking systems, and they can cost money, time, and sometimes even lives. This is where software testing comes in. Let's break it down simply. So imagine you are booking a flight online, but instead of confirming your ticket, the system charges you twice the money. Or worse, the autopilot system in the aircraft malfunctions mid flight. Sounds scary, right? Software is in everything that we use: banking, healthcare, transportation, e commerce. So, if software fails, the consequences can be huge. That's why software testing exists, to catch the defects before they cause real world problems. So, what exactly is software testing? Software testing is the process of evaluating a software product to make sure it works correctly, meets users' expectations, and does not cause any unexpected failures. It helps reduce the risk and ensures software quality. Think of testing like test driving a car before you buy it. You can check the brakes, speed, and comfort to ensure that it's safe and meets your daily needs. So, software testing is somewhat similar. We check if the software is functional, reliable, and secure. But here's one common myth. Many people think that software testing is just about running the software and seeing if it works. That's only one part of the process. Software testing also involves reviewing the requirements, writing test cases, and finding and reporting bugs. What is verification versus validation? Testing is not just about checking if a feature works, it's also about making sure that it is the right feature. So there are two key parts to testing. One is verification, which answers the question if we are building the product correctly. And the other is validation, that answers the question if we are building the right thing in the first place. So imagine a messaging app. If the feature says send message, verification will be concerned about checking if clicking the button actually sends the message. And validation will check if the app is user friendly and does what users expect at the end of the day. Now, what are the types of testing? Testing isn't always about running the software. There are two main types of testing. One is static testing, wherein no execution is required. You can review code, test cases, and requirements like proofreading a book before publishing. And the other is dynamic testing, wherein we need to execute the software. So here we run test cases using different inputs and check if the software behaves correctly. Testing requires skills and tools. Testing isn't just clicking buttons, it's a skill. Good testers think critically, analyze problems, and predict failures before they happen. And while testing tools help automate the process, human intelligence is irreplaceable. So don't worry, even with AI, software testing is not going anywhere. Just like a doctor uses x rays to diagnose a patient, testers use tools to find software defects. But the doctor's expertise is what makes the real difference. So now you know what software testing is all about. It's about ensuring quality, preventing failures, and making sure that the software meets the user's needs. Do you want to learn more? Hit subscribe to Test with Ayush and stay tuned for more easy to understand software testing tutorials. Thank you.